Hi, everybody. Dave Clark from InspectCheck-net. Today, we're going to talk about uh, types of contracts available, editing and signing a contract agreement for video number 9. I think this will help you out. We're going to just go through the different types of contracts and the best way to do that. Okay, so we are in our dashboard here, and we're going to take a look at the contracts. Here's a completed report. So let's just go over to the contract right here and make it real easy. And there's different options you have for the contract. Now, I know some people like the contract in their inspection report. I personally do, but you don't have to do that. We're going to show you the different options you have. So our standard InspectCheck agreement, this is it, right? And it's just standard language. A lot of inspectors use it. Some do, some don't, but that's entirely up to you. On the bottom, we see the client's name is there. They could sign next to that if they want to, the company's name, and they would click this, the I agree button. And remember, that is legal. For home inspection contracts and many others, it's a digital signature, and that's considered legal. Okay, if we're going to get another contract that we want to upload over to override this, we just click upload and bring that contract in. But let's continue talking up here for a second. So here's our standard agreement, and we click down. We have a couple of options. We've got our customized standard agreement, and what that is, you're going to see this is our standard agreement that shows up. But now it's got this green box around it and with all these editing tools. So in here, you can do whatever you want, right? So let's say that's number 3. Let's say we want to add 3A here. And we're going to just type, because I can't type, so I'm just going to do that. And we want to type that in there. For whatever reason, there's some special circumstance, we're not inspecting a certain area, whatever you want to add to it. And what's great about this is we can include this only for this report or this report and all my future reports. So say some language changed, maybe in your state or your area, and in this case, we're going to put only this report. Okay, the bottom stays the same. The digital signature is the same, client's name, all that. And again, we can download this PDF as a standalone PDF, and we can email it as a standalone email PDF to our client. All right, so that's our customized standard InspectCheck agreement. Let's scroll down to custom agreement. And the custom agreement basically is a blank word processor where you could put whatever you want, copy and paste, anything you want to do. Very simple. All the tools are up here to enhance it, to add whatever you want. If you want to add a picture in there, I'm not sure why you would, but you might. And then same thing, this report or all future reports. Same box at the bottom, I agree. Very simple. All right, so we're going to go back here, and then we're going to put no agreement, and then nothing shows up, right? So that page is gone. The agreement doesn't even show in the final home inspection report. And again, save only for this report or this report and all my future. Maybe you use a contract that's stored on a different server, or you're going to use a paper one or something like that, and that's what you do. All right, so we'll go to the InspectCheck standard one, and this report is finalized. So let's take a quick look at it. Well, we see what it looks like at the end, and here it is. So I'm going to quickly download that PDF so we can see that report. Here it comes, and we'll open that, and we see that here's the table of contents. Click off that, but here's what the final agreement looks like, and it depends on what size text. This is a pretty large size, and I did it for the video, but here it is. And if we head down to the bottom, we'll see that the I agree, once it's checked, it says I agree. Client's there, they could sign it there if you want, digitally sign it, or some people print it and they manually sign it. Home inspection company, same thing, and that's what it looks like in the final version. Okay, and that's going to be right after the table of contents. So there it is, the agreement introduction, and then of course you go to roof system and that, but it's housed there. That's where it remains. Okay, so I hope that helped you out with the contract or agreement. It's very simple to use, and I think you'll find it a great useful tool. Everybody should use a contract or agreement for a home inspection. Video 10 will be more report editor, conducting an inspection. Then video 11, a more report editor, changing templates while editing a report. I hope this helped you out. Have a great day.